Welcome to my virtual classroom on digital citizenship. This online class was created for 5th grade students and focuses on the importance of online safety, plagiarism, the digital footprint, and cyberbullying. Once students enter the virtual classroom, they will begin by going to the Get Started tab. This provides students with a brief overview, a few places to explore, and a video about the 5 things to know about being a digital citizen. Students will also be instructed to view the Class Rules and Information tab, which contains a syllabus as well as general rules and discussion board regulations. Additionally, I provided a library of resources for students, including links to our school's library, a citation maker, and a few various links to information on digital citizenship. Prior to starting the first lesson, students will introduce themselves on the discussion board and identify 2 goals they hope to meet by the end of the course. Students will be asked to revisit these goals at the conclusion of the class and reevaluate their goals. This online class is broken down into 4 courses, all of which contain a pre-test, a post-test, BrainPop videos, and a discussion board question. There are also main activities which the students will post for a grade. When students click on a lesson tab, they will see a brief introduction, the standards that will be addressed, and a folder containing activities and assignments. The first lesson focuses on online safety. After taking the pretest and watching the BrainPop video, students will complete an online information sort by downloading the Smart Notebook file, filling out the answers, and uploading it for a grade. Students will then create an account on the website Nimbus and complete an About Me section. Nimbus is a safe social networking site developed specifically for education. The goal of the activity is to practice filling out information online without giving too much personal information. The second lesson focuses on plagiarism and is broken down into 2 parts. After viewing the video on plagiarism, students will enter a learning module that walks them through how to evaluate the validity of online sources. Through a step-by-step process, students will view the website The Tree Octopus, answer comprehension questions, and then determine if the source is valid. Students will then apply what they have learned to research 10 facts about their culture. They are given a list of different apps they can choose to present their information. Lesson 3 is all about the digital footprint. Students again will watch a BrainPop video and then complete an activity on identifying good versus bad netiquette. I have also included a screencast that I created that explains what a digital footprint is and the importance of maintaining a positive image in the 21st century. Students will complete an activity of Googling information on the president and share 3 fun facts that they have learned. Lastly, they will download a file containing an outline of a foot and they will fill it with anything they feel represents their positive digital footprint. The final lesson focuses on cyberbullying, which has become an unfortunate problem in society. After viewing a BrainPop video and the vocabulary associated with cyberbullying, students will be placed into differentiated groups to create a public service announcement on cyberbullying. Differentiated rubrics will be used to grade the project, and students will be able to use the features of iMovie to create their PSA. Each group has a workspace that allows for file exchange, blogging, a discussion board, and group email. Students will be graded on both their PSA and their ability to collaborate with their peers in an online forum. Lastly, students will complete a comprehensive digital citizenship test that reviews all the different things that they have learned throughout the lessons. Students will also complete a self-assessment that will just provide feedback about how they felt throughout the unit and how they did on collaborating with their peers. The final assignment will be to require students to reevaluate their goals, which they set at the beginning of the class. All of the rubrics, information about me, the instructor, and Blackboard resources are also available on the left-hand side of the screen. I hope you have enjoyed the tour of my virtual classroom, and I thank you for visiting.